Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best method beach sage is probably one of the most sought-after home fragrances on the market right now, and for good reason, as it offers a unique and captivating scent profile that can transform any living space into a serene oasis, making it a popular choice for those looking to enhance their home's ambience with a touch of natural freshness and sophisticated aroma that lingers pleasantly. Number 5. Native Deodorant Coconut and Vanilla 2.65 ounces. Experience the power of nature with our deodorant, formulated with ingredients derived from natural sources. It's a choice you can feel good about. Enjoy long-lasting freshness for up to 72 hours. Our formula provides reliable odor protection, keeping you confident all day and night. Designed for everyone, this deodorant is suitable for both women and men. It offers effective protection for all. Choose a healthier option with our aluminum-free formula. You can enjoy effective odor control without the use of aluminum. Indulge your senses with the delightful scent of coconut and vanilla. It leaves you feeling refreshed and smelling great. This convenient 2.65-ounce size is perfect for your daily routine and travel. It's easy to take with you wherever you go. What we like. This deodorant offers long-lasting protection with a focus on natural ingredients. If you're seeking an aluminum-free option that keeps you fresh for up to 72 hours, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those with sensitive skin or who prefer a more natural approach to personal care. What people say. The scent is a pleasant, subtle herbal fragrance that isn't overpowering. It effectively cleans surfaces without leaving streaks, and the sage scent is quite refreshing. The bottle design is sleek and looks good on the counter, and the spray mechanism works well. Number 4. Method Foaming Hand Wash, Sea Minerals. Experience the refreshing clean of Method Foaming Hand Washington. Its gentle formula leaves your hands feeling incredibly soft and thoroughly clean after every use. This hand wash is infused with the essence of sea minerals, bringing a touch of the ocean to your daily routine. Enjoy its invigorating marine notes. A bright hint of lemon zest complements the marine aroma, creating a uniquely uplifting scent. It's a perfect balance for your senses. Ideal for placement in both your kitchen and bathroom. Keep it handy for frequent hand washing throughout the day. Say goodbye to dry, rough hands. This foaming wash ensures your hands feel soft, moisturized, and perfectly clean every single time. This convenient 6-pack ensures you're always stocked up. Enjoy long-lasting freshness and cleanliness for your entire household. What we like. Experience a refreshing clean that leaves your hands feeling incredibly soft. The invigorating marine and lemon scent is a delightful sensory experience. If you desire a hand wash that cleans effectively while also moisturizing and providing an uplifting fragrance, this is perfect for your kitchen or bathroom. What people say. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. It leaves hands feeling soft and moisturized. The pump dispenser works well and dispenses the right amount of soap. Number 3. Method Beach Sage Liquid Laundry Detergent. Discover the refreshing scent of beach sage with Method's powerful liquid laundry detergent. It's designed to tackle tough stains, leaving your clothes clean and fresh. Don't let stains win. This formula is a tough stain remover, ensuring your garments come out looking their best after every wash. Get more washes with each bottle. This pack provides 66 loads per 53.5 fluid ounces bottle, offering great value and convenience. Stock up and save with this convenient 4-pack. You'll get a total of 264 loads, perfect for busy households. Experience the calming aroma of beach sage as it cleans your laundry. It's a delightful scent that transforms your chore into a pleasant experience. Please note that the packaging may vary. Rest assured, the quality and effectiveness of the detergent remain consistent. What we like. Tackle tough stains with this potent laundry detergent, all while enjoying the calming beach sage scent. Its concentrated formula means you get a generous amount of washes per bottle. If you're looking for a detergent that effectively removes dirt and grime while leaving your clothes smelling wonderfully fresh, this is an excellent value pack. What people say. The scent is a subtle and pleasant sage. It effectively cleans surfaces without leaving streaks. The bottle design is sleek and looks good on the counter. Number 2. Method Fabric Softener Beach Sage 4-Pack. Discover the refreshing scent of beach sage with Method Fabric Softener. It leaves your clothes feeling soft and smelling amazing. Each bottle provides 45 loads of freshness, ensuring your laundry stays delightful for longer. This pack offers great value. Our formula is designed to be gentle on your clothes while providing superior softness. Enjoy a luxurious feel with every wash. Immerse yourself in the calming aroma of beach sage. It brings a touch of nature's tranquility to your everyday fabrics. Get more of what you love with this convenient 4-pack. Stock up and keep your home smelling wonderful. Make the switch to a fabric softener that cares for your clothes and your senses. Enjoy the Method difference today. What we like. Achieve incredibly soft and wrinkle-reduced laundry with this fabric softener. The signature beach sage fragrance adds a subtle, pleasant aroma to your clothes. If you want your garments to feel luxuriously soft and look their best with less effort, this is the ideal companion to your laundry routine. What people say. This soap dispenser is a great addition to my bathroom. It looks very nice on the counter and dispenses soap well. The sage scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 1. Method Beach Sage Liquid Laundry Detergent. Discover the refreshing power of Method's Beach Sage Liquid Laundry Detergent. It's designed to tackle tough stains while leaving your clothes with a delightful scent. Don't let stains win. This formula is a powerful stain remover, ensuring your fabrics come out looking as good as new. Enjoy the invigorating aroma of beach sage with every wash. It provides a long-lasting freshness that will uplift your senses. Each bottle contains enough detergent for 66 loads of laundry. This means fewer trips to the store and more clean clothes. This convenient 53.5-ounce bottle is perfect for your laundry needs. Experience effective cleaning and a wonderful scent in one easy-to-use package. What we like. This liquid laundry detergent provides a powerful clean, specifically targeting stains with its advanced formula. The delightful beach sage scent enhances the laundry experience. If you need a reliable detergent for everyday use that delivers excellent stain-fighting power and a consistently fresh scent, this single bottle offers great performance. What people say. The scent is subtle and not overpowering, making it pleasant for everyday use. It effectively cleans surfaces without leaving streaks, which is great for glass and mirrors. The bottle design is sleek and looks good on the countertop, a nice aesthetic addition to the bathroom. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.